Hello, welcome to CloudHealth Foundation Series. In this video, I will discuss how CloudHealth helps improve risk visibility and strengthens cloud governance. Let's take a look at the CloudHealth dashboard and how we can look over governance. There are a few tabs on the left side that I'll walk through to help with the security posture for customers. The first one that I want to touch on is health check. Your cloud environment is only as good as the hygiene that you establish for it, and your organization's due diligence to keep those practices in place long term. Especially if you're just starting off in your cloud environment, you might not be aware of common pitfalls. For example, assets that are unallocated or untagged, such as untagged instances, are very common. As you can see in this environment, there are 24 untagged EC2 instances. If not addressed quickly, they can lead to a lot of cloud resource waste. The health check gives you a quick snapshot to help identify these assets and allow you to build and customize reports to focus on a particular business unit, owner, environment, or function. This will help you establish better cloud management habits and drive more accountability across your cloud teams. Moving along to security risk posture. Security is a critical component for any cloud environment. In this day and age, keeping data safe and more secure is equally, if not more important, than reducing costs, increasing agility. If you lose confidence in your customers, your brand can be deeply affected. Based on cloud best practices and cloud providers, CloudHealth Health Check highlights any potential security vulnerabilities. As you can see here, there are multiple security recommendations to help reduce the risk for exposure. These alerts can alert your team to take any necessary actions needed before something can potentially go wrong. Prevention is always better than a cure. So this report will give you recommendations about security-related events in your cloud environment. Next, I want to show you how to set up governance in CloudHealth. Governing your cloud environment involves creating the rules under which users in your organization can take action in the cloud. For governance policies to be effective, it's recommended that representatives from all lines of business are involved in the rulemaking process to reduce the likelihood of unsanctioned actions being taken automatically without proper sign-off, and to help each line of business have a better understanding of how other departments operate. Within the Governance tab under Setup in the CloudHealth user interface, this is where you set up policies. This specific policy is for tag compliance, that it helps to clean up existing tagging strategies and put guardrails in place for any growth or additions to cloud environments. If we view this policy, you can see here that we have 150 Azure SQL databases that need to be tagged, as well as Azure resource groups. Once you create these policies, we can then choose a specific action that we want to take on these policies by setting them up. So this is where you're able to set up the action within each cloud provider. Tag management is where you can see all of the tags that you have for your resources. You can leverage CloudHealth to tag resources that may otherwise not be supported as taggable resources by the CSP. CloudHealth tags help you overcome these limitations and tag more resources. In addition, you can leverage both CloudHealth tags and cloud provider tags when building CloudHealth perspectives, which gives you greater flexibility in organizing your cloud infrastructure. With perspectives, business units can create views that align with their reporting needs based on groups of assets determined by their tags or other metadata. This concludes the governance piece of CloudHealth Foundations. Thank you so much for watching.